All right, quick overview on how to do stuff with zip folders. So this is my notes area for all the little classes that we do. So let's see, I'm going to sort by name. Okay. So these are the parts we just made here. I want to rename that. Hold on. Rename. So one thing to actually note with assemblies, I can't do it because it's open. One thing to note with assemblies, if you rename the file names here, SolidWorks is going to get really confused with the assembly because since you've changed the name, it's looking for the old name still. So what it'll do is it'll basically ask you to help it find it. So you'll kind of get a little like angry box pop up at you. But it's usually best to try to not rename things once you put it in an assembly. So to make a zip folder, and the reason why this is important is because you want to send all of these together whenever you're sending some of the assembly. Because if you send them just the assembly and they don't have the parts, they won't be able to open the file because the file is going to ask them to open parts. So you have to always zip it. So what we'll do is we will select our 3 files that we want, which would be our 2 parts in our assembly. And we will, hold on. Oh, yeah, there we go. You have to click on the files, not off to the side. We're going to do send to compressed zip folder. Lesson 5 assembly. There we go. And that's our zip folder. And this is what you would email someone. It basically bundles all the folders up and you can see it's inside the zip file. Now, let's say you've received this zip folder now and you want to use the parts inside of it. You can't just click open, click it into it and click the assembly. What you need to do first is you need to do what's called extracting, which is kind of unzipping it. Basically turns it into a normal folder for yourself. So I'm going to do extract all. You can't see this new window that just popped up, but it's basically just asking me to select a destination. I'm just going to click extract. Can't see that window that just popped up, but what ended up happening was now it created this folder up here, lesson 5 assembly. If I click on it, you can see now it's a normal folder with all the parts in it. And I still have the zip folder as well, but now I have this normal folder. This is what I'd be able to open everything with. All right, I'm going to get rid of that because and that was kind of like my little zip file overview. Did that make sense?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Stop share.